captains.
A fine day in my high school. Me and the boys were goofing around. Having completed 11th grade already, we thought that we had it all figured out. But we were wrong. We were yet to figure her out. She was mystical, almost alien. Maybe she had come in all our lives to tell us that there were still things we could not fathom to understand. Her curves made us enjoy the pain of not having a chance with her. When she spoke, it seemed as if she was speaking the language of gods way beyond our understanding. But we were also not that big a loser, so then started our conquest to get to know her, if not go out with her. We had no idea that this challenge would be the greatest challenge of our life. We tried approaching her directly, but that would be in vain because we had no idea what we were supposed to say to her once she looked at us with a strange and horrified look. So we started to do some research, which ultimately led to dead ends. We still had a trump card which we were hesitant to use. You see, it was a double edged sword. It could either lead us to her or make us apart forever. We decided not to use the card that early. We tried things people would have no idea were possible, but all our efforts were discarded. There were even times when we thought to ourselves that she was not meant for us. Days, weeks, even months of our self-proclaimed tactics were useless. So we decided to go with the trump card at last, which was guidance from someone with expertise in that field. Damn, we should have done that early. He made us realize that when we were trying to approach, we were afraid that we would mess that up. But that's the thing about life, isn't it? We mess up, but then we can redeem our errors and try again with some minor changes until we finally succeed. But giving up and giving in to fear was not permitted. That's what he had for us. You would not believe, but that actually worked. Only after 3 days of messing up, we were able to approach her without any fear of missing that again. That's how our friendship with her started. Oh, you mystical being, we adore you to our heart content. No being is superior than you. You are our greatest nightmare and our happiest dream. Oh, integration, we do not fear you now. Oh, integration.